This is the eagle. Basically, nature took a pigeon, gave it steroids, and glued knives to its feet. Let's put 60 seconds on the clock. First, the vision. An eagle can spot a moving rabbit from 2 miles away. They have laser focus and they see everything. In fact, they can probably see that you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, which is pretty awkward. I mean, do you really want a bird judging you? I'd just click it now to be safe. It's inevitable anyway. Moving on. Let's talk real estate. Eagles don't build nests, they build fortresses. One record-breaking nest was 20 feet deep and weighed 2 tons. That is literally the weight of a Honda Civic. Imagine trying to sleep in a tree while holding a sedan. That is an Eagle's Tuesday. But the wildest part is their romance. It's a move called the death spiral. When they fall in love, they don't go on dates. They fly up thousands of feet, lock talons, and free fall toward the earth, spinning wildly. They only let go seconds before smashing into the ground. It is the ultimate trust fall. If your relationship isn't like that, don't call me. So, the eagle, great eyesight, heavy homes, and absolutely zero chill. Catch you next time.